Over 2,500 farmers commit suicide and die every year in India due to issues directly related to credit and loans. Hello, I am Sangram, CEO for Credit AI, and we operate in India. Farmers in India are forced to borrow private loans from loan sharks at very high interest rates going up to 50% per annum, and they get into a vicious cycle of debt. Smallholder farmers cannot access institutional loans. Out of the farmers who receive loans, only 60% of such loan money gets used for cultivation purpose. Cash in their hand is actually an issue here. Banks take almost 90 to 100 days to process a loan. All of these leads to no access to farm inputs in time, and farmer is forced to borrow more at higher interest rates. This is how we have tried to address these problems. We have created a proprietary database of farmers that consists of land, farmer personal data, crop, and demographic data at the primary layer, and the purchase activity data at the secondary layer that altogether creates a credit score for a farmer. This reduces the lending cycle time and cost of lending. Credit AI's closed-loop cashless smart cards issued to farmers help them avail cashless loans and facilitate them to buy inputs at any time at a lower cost. Overall digital network has helped aggregate the inputs as well as the produce at one particular platform. This is a snapshot of how our innovation works. The AI and ML enabled cashless credit system captures the primary data of the farmers and feeds it into the AI engine. In the process, when the farmer uses the cashless loans for purchases, his transactions are recorded carefully and the credit score is generated and updated at every transaction. Credit AI's innovation has helped our farmers access loans 6 to 8% less than the usual market rates. They bought inputs at discounted prices and thereby leading the increase in farm output. This is how we have helped our farmers earn more livelihood and drove them away from the vicious debt traps. Let's look at what our farmer producer organizations and our farmers feel about our work.
मी नंदकिशोर सर्जेराव मुसमाडे, संचालक साईप्रवरा शेतकरी पुरस्कार कंपनी. तर या मॅग्नेटिक आणि क्रेडिट AI कंपनी यांच्यामार्फत जे काही कार्ड शेतकऱ्यांचं वाटप केलं होतं, यामुळे आम्हाला कृषी सेवा केंद्राला सुद्धा याचा खूप असा फायदा झाला. वेळेवर आम्हाला कंपनीकडून पैसे उपलब्ध झाले. आम्ही वेळेवर त्या पैशाचा उपयोग ज्यांच्याकडून आम्ही खते बियाणं औषधं हे घेण्यासाठी त्यांना वेळेवर पेमेंट देऊ शकलो आणि त्यामुळे शेतकऱ्यांना आम्ही वेळेवर खतं बियाणं औषधं देऊ शकलो.
स्मार्ट कार्डचा असा फायदा झाला की आम्हाला 3-4 महिने पिका निघेपर्यंत आम्हाला पैशाची कोणत्याही प्रकारची अडचण भासत नाही. त्यामुळे आमची जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो सॉल्व्ह होतो.
ओके. आणि आपण जे आता आमच्या दुकानाकडून या कंपनीकडून आपण जे खते बियाणे औषधे हे तुम्हाला वेळेवर पोहोचले जातात आणि ही रक्कम तुम्ही पुन्हा कधी म्हणजे पेमेंट कधी कसं केले आपण?
आम्ही सर्वसाधारणतः 3-4 महिन्यात पिका निघल्याच्या नंतर हे पीक विकूनच या कार्डचे पैसे व्याजासहित पुन्हा परत करतो.
We are operating in a $250 billion market in India, and with just over 1.6% of the addressable market, we are looking at $2 billion opportunity in the next 3 to 5 years. With a very simple revenue model, we seek $20 per farmer as an annual income, and at 5 million farmers in the next 3 to 5 years, we will clock 200 million in revenues. Credit AI is planning to raise a Series A round within next 12 months, and we would like to speak with investors and strategic partners. Please reach me at my contact below. Thank you.